Hey guys, Kirk Chavez, First Commerce Financial. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe and ring that bell button so you're gonna get all the awesome content that we're gonna drop for you. All right, today, not a sexy topic, but an effective one to increase those credit scores quickly. We're talking about when to make the payment on your actual credit card. So typically when you get that statement in the mail, it will say this is for activity from August 27th to September 26th. That's the billing period, and we'll give you a couple weeks to make your payment on that, and then everything will start all over again. So this tip is for, first off, you have to pay off your credit cards in full each month. That's a given. I want you to do that every time, but let me show you how to make that payment in full each month so you can maximize the credit utilization and really increase your scores quickly. So let's say you have a $5,000 credit limit on your credit card and you use about $1,000 every month. In that example, you would have a 20% credit utilization rate for that card. I want that utilization to be anywhere from 1 to 7%. That would be awesome. That will help your scores go up. So just before that billing cycle comes due, I think in our example we use September 27th, in the 2 or 3 days prior to that, I want you to pay the balance down to leave about $100. So when the bill comes due, it'll show you have a $100 balance on the $5,000 credit limit, and that will really increase your scores. Do not pay it off in full, meaning down to zero. The credit bureaus don't like to see zero charges on your credit report. They don't want to see zero on your credit card statement. That's not good for the algorithm of the way the credit scores work. So a little bit confusing. Reach out if you have questions, but this was all about when to make that payment just prior to the billing cycle ending. Thanks guys for tuning in, and have a great day.